What can you do to stay healthy in your youth? Let's talk about it. Every stage of life holds a different potential for health as well as healing. Each stage of your life is a little bit different. What health issues you may be facing, as well as what mindset best serves your most optimal state of wellness, differs throughout life. Between 15 and 25, you're setting the stage for a lifetime of physical, mental, and emotional health. In your youth, you're busy developing your identity. You're metabolically active and probably healthy. Running a fast metabolism, you get over illnesses and injuries fairly quickly. You may be taking advantage of your high metabolism and eating whatever you'd like, sleeping whenever you feel like it, exercising if you feel like it, not really thinking much about your mindset, and perhaps you haven't even explored how to support optimal hypothalamic function. Because until you start to have any kind of health issues, do you really start looking into how the body works and what it needs to be supported for optimal health and well-being? Yet when you're young, it's really the best time to start taking the best care of yourself. Hopefully, you've had a healthy childhood with good nutrition, enough activity, good sleep habits, a healthy emotional upbringing to develop a healthy mindset. If not, by the time you're in your late teens to mid-20s, you best get your act together or you're going to start to get sick. Why wait until you get sick before you start choosing healthier habits? Your youth is the best time to plant the seeds of healthy habits. Number 1, nutrition. Nourishing your body with nutritious foods, eating a plant-based diet with adequate protein and healthy fat will help you reach your highest potential physically and mentally. You'll be stronger, do better in school, be more productive, have more energy, clearer skin, healthy hair when you feed your body well. Occasional fast food won't hurt you, but eat well now and you're setting yourself up for good health the rest of your life. Number 2 is sleep. Getting enough sleep, at least 7 to 9 hours a night, will help you have the energy you need to accomplish your goals. Plus, you won't get sick as often since your immune system works best when you're sleeping. Turn off your digital products so you can actually fall asleep after dark. Now, I know it's hard and many youth wind down by playing games on their devices at night, but the light from the screens mess with your nocturnal hormones, resulting in poor sleep quality and diminishing your immunity. Number 3, exercise. Getting enough activity will help you manage your weight, improve your immunity, and your brain function. Make sure you're getting aerobic exercise at least a few times a week, some kind of strengthening exercise a couple times a week, and stretch regularly. Exercise helps lift your moods. Number 4, mindset. Adopting a healthy mindset will help you manage your stress and stay healthy. Learn stress reduction techniques. Speaking positively about yourself and to yourself helps your body to heal. Even something as simple as a sprained ankle, those strained ligaments respond to positive affirmations. Your body will slow down the healing process if you're not being your best cheerleader. Hypothalamus support is number 5. I believe in nutraceutical support at all ages because we cannot get enough nutrition from our diet alone, especially for optimal hypothalamic functioning. Genesis Gold will help you maintain optimal health physically, mentally, spiritually, and energetically. Choose wisely in your youth because it will affect your health for the rest of your life. I consciously chose not to drink alcohol until I was in my mid-20s. I intuitively knew that the chemicals would affect my brain development. Research shows that alcohol and recreational drug use before the age of 24 diminishes potential brain size and capacity throughout adulthood. So be careful. What you put in your body when you're younger may affect you for the rest of your life. If you have any questions about how to stay healthy in your youth and want to access my best diets, exercise routines, and stress-reducing meditation, please join us in our Hormone Reboot Training. I'll see you in the next video.